I just heard the thing go beep. Okay. I don't know. It could be a component. I don't know. We know it's not the gas cap. Or anything in this area. Let's go to this side of the car and maybe. Jack the car up. Okay, this should be good enough. Let's check the smoke. We still have smoke. I think we do, but yep. See, there's smoke. Okay, still with me? All right. Let's go under here for a second. Why I think this might be looks like we have lines going down there. See those? See, the mechanics did a bunch of work down here. Replaced some mounts. I'm just wondering, you might have a better view of this than I do, if they nicked something or broke it, or it looks like we got a bunch of lines going here. I don't see any smoke. So they did a lot of work down here, replacing the engine mount, transmission mount. But Could be a component failure of some sort. I don't know. I'm not seeing any smoke. Let's go up top for a second. Oh, maybe we can see something over here. See. It says it's a very small. That's what the code reads. Hi, Coco. There's the Coco. Look at the Coco. Yay, Coco. Well, I guess those are all the vacuum lines going down there. If we were to see smoke, we should see it. They sure do a good job on covering all this stuff up. Yeah, a lift would sure be nice. We seen smoke back here. Let's get up top. Let's see if we can see anything up there. Now we know we see smoke. We know those lines. Are still with me? We would see smoke. Going down. Those are those lines right there. Those are those lines right there. If they were leaking, they would be leaking right now. I just don't know. Hey, baby. Do you want to show my 7 followers? Baby! I sure do have a sexy wife. I don't know. I just don't know. This could be a component thing. I was kind of concerned with this. I fixed that. This might be a part malfunction. See, those are those lines I'm talking about. Now we can see them pretty good with the light. They're not leaking. If they were, there'd be a lot of smoke, or some smoke coming out of them. Let's see if the smoke machine's working. Yeah. It's working good. Plenty of smoke. So if there was smoke, it'd be coming out of there. Let's do the gas cap again. Sorry. Or it'd be coming out of here. Watch. maybe not. I thought it would be coming out of here. Which means, to me, a lot of this, anything to do with the gas tank components aren't being maybe there's some type of check valve or one-way valve between here and there. There should be. Alright. Well, that means we're going to have to check the gas tank somehow. I wish I would have got those adapters. Maybe that's smoke. No, there should be smoke coming out of there. Let me make something that fits in there. I'll get back with you guys, okay? It's about 3:52 on January 17th, 2026. Okay, again, this is for the 2017 Jeep Cherokee Latitude. Anyways, I'll make something. I mean, if it's just stuffing rags in there. But we'll make something. All right. Let me try. Wait, before I let you guys go, let me do something. Let me go get the keys. Let me go get the keys real fast. Maybe if I just turn the car on, not start it, I might open that valve. Yeah, I'll get back with you. Let me, there's a couple of things I want to do off camera. I'll leave you on. Yeah.